So for 2018 SEMA show, we were able to come up with a concept for Mopar that is based off of a 1968 Dodge Charger, which we've affectionately called the Supercharger. It's a wide body version of that original car, and it just happens that 2018 is the 50th anniversary of that car, so it's pretty special. The 68 Charger was a standalone body design. It wasn't shared with any other brand at that time. There was something about that design at that time period that set the world on fire and everybody took notice. Fast forward to today, we were able to go in and keep the, I'll say, good bones of the actual body design itself, the double diamond intersecting body design, and then upsize the wheels and tires, put flares on it, put some aerodynamic aids on it, the splitter, the rear spoiler, clean up the DLO or the daylight opening with the removal of the drip rail, the wing vent. There's so many details as we go through the car front to rear that we were able to modernize and simplify, but still make it recognizable as a 68 Charger. It's got a 20-inch production wheel in the front, devil's rim from the Demon. On the rear, we upsized it. We used the same design, upsized it to a 21-inch wheel and tire. We pulled the front wheel forward 2 inches, so it went to 119 inches. The rest of the proportions we kept the same. The traditional hideaway headlamps in the front, we replaced those. We did a full-width grille design with no cut lines, and then we took Challenger headlights with the glowing DRL rings. The whole assembly, we were able to package those into this older car. Get to the rear end, we had some fun where the original 1968 had 4 round tail lamps. Kind of thought, what if those were exhaust? So we kind of rethought about how the tail lamp functions and repurposed some parts back there, but actually did a high-mounted exhaust outlet, which is kind of current in the world of supercars today, to do high-mounted exhausts above the bumper. And so this worked out perfectly. Once again, just like on the exterior, we used a lot of DNA and a lot of parts that are on our current Dodge and SRT products, and we were able to repurpose them creatively into this 1968 Supercharger. I think we've preserved the integrity and the purity of that car, but modernized it in a way that they probably never imagined back then. But I think they would approve of what we've done.